This is how we use the TENS machine when my wife was going into labor. So first of all, congrats. It's a fun time. Your job as a guy is to help your wife go through the pain. So a TENS machine is helpful. First of all is the electrode placement. So if you come in a bit closer, this is, sorry my hands are a bit cold, this is the middle of the spine. Okay, we would put the electrodes usually at the dimples here. Okay, and then above there. So if you look at the electrodes, they connect to two different channels. I would like to create an X here. So let's say this is a bit cold, sorry. I'd start a bit higher there and I'd create an X on this side where the dimples should be. And we're gonna do the same thing on this side. So here and then across there. So what's happening is as the signal goes into one electrode, it'll cross through the spine and then exit through the other electrode and vice versa. So if you are using this, you can combine it with a hot pack just to keep everything nice and warm as well, keep everything nice and compressed. In terms of the modes, I had to switch it from timer 30 to continuous because the contractions, the machine would actually turn off every 15-30 minutes and then I'd get told off. So keep it continuous so it runs the whole time. And then when you turn it on, make sure that your partner feels a little bit of comfortable tingling. So let me know when you start to feel a little bit of tingling. Just rotating. You feel a bit of tingling? Okay. And then with some of the units you might get, there is a boost button. So if they're going into a contraction, you pump the boost button. If you don't have that, let's say you're going through a contraction right now, you would amp it up as much as you can tolerate. At the time, we'd have to max out the machine, but because our patient here isn't going through labor, it's going to be too painful to max it out. But you feel like intensify. Cool, and then when you come out of a contraction, you lower it again, just so you can feel a bit of a tingle. So that's what I would recommend, or that's what I did with my wife. Everyone's a bit individualized, so let's say your partner doesn't get as much relief here, you can slide them a little bit further apart, a little bit closer, they'll feel where they're getting the pain or discomfort. The only thing I wouldn't recommend is putting it directly on the spine, so that would not really benefit as much, and it might be painful for some people. So hopefully that helps out. Give it a try. Good luck and congrats.